dream on, dream on.
Hey, yeah.
And we'll dream together. Dream on.
I have a dream.
Dream on.
Do you have a dream?
And we'll dream together.
I had a dream. I was wild and free in the land of Moses. The promised land was revealed to me as I closed my eyes. I was one with nature, felt the breeze as I smelled the roses. Then I was thinking to myself, it feels great to be alive. But then I woke up and looked around. I didn't like what's going down. Shots blazing all over town. Another lifeless on the ground, yeah. Woke up and I realized we have all been compromised in a system that divides. Victims picking sides. I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming of a better place for you and I and all mankind. I'll be dreaming, and while I'm dreaming, don't wake me up, the world's too corrupt. Let me take my time. Dream on, my brother, dream on. In my dream I see a world of hope when all hope is gone. Dream on, my sister, dream on. As we dream of peace and love, oh, it won't be long. Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray to Jah my soul to keep. If things don't change before I wake, leave me in my dreaming state. In my dreams we're unified. Human rights are not denied. Oh, we stand side by side, but in reality I cried when I woke up and saw the pain. Why they play such vicious games? They can be so inhumane, selling their souls again. I woke up and see the wars, physical and mental scars. Lies behind the prison bars, but I remain beyond the stars. I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming. Better place for you and I and all mankind. I'll be dreaming, and while I'm dreaming, don't wake me up, the world's too corrupt. Let me take my time. Dream on, my brother, dream on, yeah. In my dream I see a world of hope when all hope is gone. Dream on, my sister, dream on, yeah. As we dream of peace and love, and it won't be long. Dream on, yeah.
I had a dream,
Dream on.
dream on, dream on, and we'll dream forever.